Hey Ross, where's your hat?
It's lab day.
It's lab day. It's lab day. That hat might get in the way of our lab, huh?
It might. You had a problem seeing my eyes yesterday, but that's just fine.
Okay.
Did you get any new sugar?
No, I didn't get new sugar, but I crunched up. I'm still crunching up the sugar that we had from yesterday. There's still some little tiny chunks in it.
Oh, yesterday was bad.
Yesterday was horrible.
I wouldn't feed that to my aunts.
Yeah, or your
uncles.
uncles. Ah. Okay, yeah, see, there's still some chunks, but I got them. I think I mashed them up pretty good. Okay, so we're doing the lab today. It's called How Does Temperature Affect the Solution? And you already did the preview yesterday, so you're ready to rock and roll. So here we go. I filled a flask half full with hot water. I labeled it hot. I know that it's hot, and I thought, well, I don't need to label this, but they can't feel it. So I labeled it.
Neither can I.
And neither can you. So I labeled it because it's easier for you to see it. Okay, and then the cold water, I put this in the fridge yesterday.
Ooh.
So it's ready to go. So this one's hot, this one's cold. Okay, so now we're gonna add sugar, 1/4 teaspoon at a time, and swirl. So remember that a teaspoon is level. It's not a heaping thing, it's a level thing. Okay, so you know what I need? Oh, I know what I can use. Okay, it's paper clip. Paper clip would work. Okay, so I'll go like this, and then I'll go like that. Ah ha ha. Okay, so hot, one in hot. One in cold, and now we swirl. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Swirl, 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 swirl. Okay, and wow. Oh no, that's condensation. Okay, so the hot water, sugar, where are you going?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, hot water, sugar, that's all dissolved. And the cold water, sugar, I can see sugar in there. Can you see sugar in there?
Not dissolved yet, no. Sugar.
Yeah, there's still sugar. And you can see the stuff on the bottom. Wow. Okay, I'll keep swirling, see if we can get it to go away. See if we can get, this might be really, really obvious right off the bat. Which one will dissolve and which one won't. Can you still see sugar on the bottom of that one, Ross? Wait, let's wait for it to do the tornado thing.
Yes.
And settle. Little teeny
Better.
tiny bit. Yeah, it's better. I think if I swirled a little more, it'll dissolve. Okay. Can you see any in this one? This is the hot one. Can you see any in there?
Nope.
Nope, that one's all dissolved. Okay, so we are checking the solubility of sugar in hot water and cold. There we go. You see any now?
No, looks good.
Okay, so we got a quarter of a teaspoon to dissolve in each one, the hot and the cold. Okay, so we're gonna keep going. So on your data table, you're gonna write down that it dissolved in the hot and it dissolved in the cold. Darn it. Oh, there's a lump. Okay.
Like one lump.
There was one, just one
Or
little
two.
one. Just one little one. Okay, here we go. Swirl, swirl, swirl. I should let you do this. Okay. How are we doing? Can you guys see how clear that is? That's like, do you see any in there, Ross?
Looks pretty clear.
Yeah, it's clear again. Hot is clear again. Okay, let's do the cold. Do the swirl thing. You see if that's cloudy, or can you see that?
Little bitty granules.
Yeah, there's still some on the bottom. It's really hard for me not to like put my hand on the bottom to warm it up. Okay, swirl, 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 swirl. Woo, tornado. Whirlpool, whirlpool.
Did you hear that?
Do I hear what?
Geese.
The geese? There are a lot of geese out there. A lot of geese this year. I hear a lot of beeping, things backing up out there. A lot of machines. There was a bulldozer out there earlier.
Trying to pass the time.
I know. Okay.
Falling asleep.
Oh, how's it going? This one's looking like it's getting dissolved here.
Good.
Good? Okay, so we got another 1/4 teaspoon in there. So now they've each dissolved 1/2 teaspoon. So let's go with, now we're at 3/4, 1/4 and 1/2.
3/4 of one. See, you have to do math, even in science.
Okay, here we go. Swirl, swirl. Get the whirlpool thing going. Can you guys see how clear the hot water one is? The hot water one is really clear. Nothing on the bottom already. And the cold water one, you see all that sugar on the bottom right there? There's still sugar on the bottom, so when I swirl it, it looks a little bit cloudier than that one. That one's totally clear. And we're working on the...
Still got sugar.
Yeah, it's still got some sugar, so we'll keep swirling. It doesn't say which one dissolves it the fastest. It says which one will dissolve the most. So there's no time thing this time, Ross. You don't have to worry about keeping the time. Okay, is the cold one okay?
Much
good?
better. Still a little bit.
Yeah, there's
not all
a
gone.
little tiny bit in there, isn't there?
Does it have to be all gone?
Has to be all gone. As soon as it's not all gone, we stop, because that's as much as it will hold. What do you think?
Time.
Time? No, there's no time. Yeah. Okay. So another teaspoon.
I have eternal time.
You have eternity. Okay. So there's our, we're at 1 full teaspoon now, aren't we? 1 complete teaspoon in each one. Yep. That's your cue, Ross. Start.
I'm getting dizzy.
Okay, then stop. Okay. How's the hot look?
Looks pretty clear.
Yeah, that one's done already. This one's not. Beautiful day today.
Oh, sweet day.
Very pretty day. Okay.
What are you kids doing today? Email me. I want to know. And thank you for all your comments that you like Ross. Makes me feel appreciated. I'm so nice to be loved.
Okay, this is almost gone.
I'm sorry, I was paying attention to the beautiful day, not you.
Oh, okay. I can still see a little teeny tiny bit down there. Okay, we good?
Looks good.
Okay. Okay, we are at 1 1/4. 5/4. Oh, that got some on the side on that one. Okay, this is our 5th one. Okay. Don't make yourself dizzy.
My teeth are falling out now.
No, don't. No, no, no.
I'm kidding. Thanks for fixing my teeth. They'd never know this mask is protecting me.
Okay. Yeah, that one's cloudy. This one. Clear.
Good.
That one's clear. I don't know if this one's going to take any more. This one's not. There's still stuff at the bottom down there. There's still
Little
stuff
bit.
down there. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to add another quarter to this one. What's this one at now? 1.5 teaspoons? Okay. 1.5 teaspoons. Let's see how much we can get in this one.
A little bit there.
Yeah, that one still has sugar in it. What do you think?
Just a little bit. Yep, a little bit there.
A little bit still?
It'll go away.
Gone?
Looks gone.
Looks gone to me. Okay, we're still going then. Are we at 7/4 now?
3/4.
1 3/4. Okay. 1 3/4. There we go. And I'll see if this one got it to go. I can't tell if that's sugar. What's going on here? Okay. This one I think I think this one's dissolved.
Looks good.
Looks good? Okay. But I don't remember what this one was at.
1 1/4.
This was at 1 1/4. You have it written down in your data table, I hope. Okay, so add another quarter to this one. So add another quarter to cold. I know this one was at 1 3/4. Then that one's done.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, that's clear. Okay, so let's go. So now this one's at 2. That one's at 2.
Cold is still cloudy.
Cold is still cloudy, and there's a pile on the bottom. See the pile on the
Yeah.
bottom? Okay, I'm gonna go over here again. Show it to them. Okay, so here's the hot water. After, this is 2 full teaspoons now, and there isn't any sugar in there. And then we've got the cold water. And this doesn't have as much in it as the hot water does. And I'll wait till it does the whirlpool thing and make a pile on the bottom. And then you can see it. See the pile on the bottom? And then it slides over when I tilt it. So the cold water is having trouble now getting all the sugar to dissolve.
There's a lot of sugar in it.
There's a lot of sugar in it. I wonder what it tastes like. I don't really wonder what it tastes like. Okay, so I'm gonna put another teaspoon in here in the hot. Whatever that's at, I don't know. 2 1/4?
Yes.
We at 2 1/4 here?
1 1/4.
Good thing somebody's recording this information because I'm not. Okay, and then the cold. Do we have anything on the bottom of the cold?
Looks pretty good.
Okay, let's go one more. One more in the cold. I think every time I do this, this is going to be the last one. Okay, whatever that is at, I don't know. 1 1/2, 1 3/4.
I believe 1 1/2.
1 1/2. Okay, I don't know. They're recording it, so.
You can hit pause.
That's right, you can hit pause. You can pause me, I can mute you. Fair trade. And the hot is gone.
No kidding.
All gone in the hot. Okay,
We're
let's
gonna
do
run out
one
of
more.
sugar.
We're gonna run out. Oh, but you're so sweet. I could never run out of sugar with you around.
All for science.
Sugar, sugar, sugar. Sugar, sugar, that's a game. That's a video game. Yeah, there's a pile of sugar on the bottom of this one. I'm gonna swirl it one more time. If it goes away, we'll add more. If it doesn't, I'm stopping with this one because this is getting ridiculous. Yeah, it's not going away. There's a pile on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. There's a pile right there in the middle. Okay, so I'm stopping with the cold, whatever that was at. And with the hot, there's a teeny tiny bit left in there. I'm getting sugar all over the place. Okay, Ross?
I think that's pretty good.
I don't.
I think that's real good.
Yeah, that's real good. I can see right through that. Okay, I'm gonna add another teaspoon here, or quarter teaspoon. But I think at this point, it's kind of obvious which
Hot is the winner.
hot holds more. Hot can dissolve more. Okay, so for your observations, you have a data table. You're going to write down, yeah, there's still a pile in there. You're going to write down how much sugar the cold water flask held, and we might not know how much the hot water held because I'm going to stop, even though it's clear again.
Of course it is.
It's clear again. I could add another teaspoon. I mean, a quarter teaspoon. Because I'm going to talk for a minute and I'll just see if it'll dissolve by the time I'm done talking.
Are you going to taste it?
No, I'm not going to taste it. That's sugar nasty.
At least in the name of science?
Okay, maybe.
Yeah. Just think of it. That's Pepsi.
Oh. Okay, so we did all this. Now, your observations, the data table, plus what you see happening here. You can see a little pile of sugar on the bottom I showed you up close. And I don't know how many this one got. And it's
Just a little bit.
yeah, it's almost clear again. So your conclusion questions. Which temperature dissolved more sugar? Which flask reached its saturation point faster? Compare the solubility of solids and gases in warmer solvents. How are they different? There's a chart on page 11 in your chapter 10 review packet that talks about temperature, solubility with gases and solids. So that will be helpful. And then the bonus question, explain why you want to keep your sodas cold. And that one's dissolved again, so we could keep going. And that one still has a pile on the bottom.
That's done.
That one's done. Okay, this one we could keep going. Okay, so that's it for today, I think. Yes, so finish your lab right up. Do it in your science notebook, and you don't have to draw a picture for this one because you can't really. You could, but there isn't. I mean, we're going to draw a flask with water in it with a little pile of sugar at the bottom. And that's it for today. So finish your lab right up, take pictures of it, send it to me, and I will see you tomorrow.
Taste it. Taste it. Taste it. Taste it. Taste it. Ah! Ooh, sweet. Okay. Class dismissed.
I love you. Bye.